Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. Madam, the government has already made the National Committee on Tourism. The proposals submitted by this committee are quite good. I would take this opportunity to request the government that the recommendations of this committee should be given full effect. It should be done quickly and there should not be any delay. This is an admirable initiative ever taken. The tourism industry should be given special incentives to develop the tourism industry all over the country. The related industries should also be given concessions. The incentives to such industries should be taken up by the finance minister as early as possible. This can include improved facilities at airports as well as better means of transportation. Their capacity can be doubled. I think that this step can help us in mobilizing better earnings and foreign exchange return. There are many reasons why tourism is important. Not only it generates revenue, it also creates jobs by way of direct and indirect employment. It provides an incentive to preserve our heritage and environment. India is taking small but important steps in the right direction. But much more needs to be done. India has to consider how to build demand and create adequate supply for its travel and tourism industry. India has a suitable geographical location also for this purpose. To stay competitive, the government needs to develop more and more luxury hotels. Hotel industry is very much a part of tourism industry. These hotels should have all the facilities and cater to the demands of national as well as international tourists. The existing luxury hotels are charging heavy taxes from the customers. The taxation should be reduced. It should be below 10% of the total bill. The tourism sector remains to be an issue of discussion always between the departments and the ministries. It has not taken a concrete shape even as India becomes a tourism destination. Much more has been done to renovate our traditional heritage by the present government, which is an encouragement to the sector. National and international travelers are very much excited to see these places. Special trains have started to benefit the pilgrims. In fact, they have developed as picnic spots where people can spend quality time with their families. Many hotels have developed around these holy places. People can stay in these hotels with all the facilities. A break from the busy life fills them with new energy. Stop and over.